Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into the video on this 2018 Nissan Frontier SV. This particular one is a pretty low mileage Frontier. I believe it's around 11,000. We'll get into that when we get inside. Let's just start up front. You have the Frontier styling up here with the chrome Nissan grille, big headlights to either side. Coming around, you have a nice alloy rim mounted up with a HANKOOK DYNAPRO tire, splash guards behind that tire as well as in front of the rear. If you look here close, you can see that there's a factory Nissan chip guard right here. Just prevents things from getting thrown off the rear tire into this area and damaging the paint. And your splash guard there behind the rear tire as well. Chrome rear bumper. Down there you can see that there is a hitch and a 9-pin trailer hookup. All of your chrome Frontier, Nissan, and SV badging is back here. It is a locking tailgate. On the inside, you can see that there is a drop-in factory Nissan bed liner in there. Came from factory like that, and you can see that this bed liner is not scratched up, not damaged. This truck really has not been used much or hard at all. Continuing up front, see all of your power windows and locks here on this side of the door. Your power mirror adjustment, your cargo lamp, and your descent control there. It is a manually adjustable seat. Your tilts here, and the forward and backward adjust is that handle over there. Everything we sell here at All Things Automotive does come with 2 keys. The other key is actually already in the spare box. It does have 2 keys. It's about a $200 value on this truck. Just starting it up here real quick. Wait for all the lights to go out. It takes them a second. Has 11,129 miles on it right now, so really low mileage truck. Plenty of both factory powertrain and factory bumper-to-bumper warranty left. Over here you have your Bluetooth controls and your volume controls for the radio. Cruise controls here on the right-hand side. It is a AM, FM, and satellite capable, or AM, FM, and satellite capable radio, as well as being able to accept a auxiliary. There's an auxiliary jack down here, a USB port down here, and it can do Bluetooth audio from your phone as well. All of your climate controls and hazard lights are located in a standard fashion here. 4-wheel drive selector there, traction control, and obviously your transmission selector down here. Emergency brake is a handbrake located right by the driver's right hand. The last part of the video is a quick walk around showing you any damage that the vehicle may have, and just giving you a quick overview of the All Things Automotive, the way that we sell vehicles here. So coming across the front, I don't really see any dings, dents. There's a few little tiny chips in the paint, but very, very small. Nothing really down there. Looking back the side, I don't see any dings or dents. The alloy rims are all in very good shape. The tires are probably 3/4 tread or better. This truck has 11,000 miles on it, and it's pretty much what you'd expect out of an 11,000 mile tire. Like I said, no dings, dents, scratches back this side of the truck. We already talked about the bed liner. The hitch, the paint on the inside of it doesn't even look like it's really been scratched. Looks like something's been in there maybe one time. So overall, the truck's not been used. There's no damage to it. It's in perfect condition. All intents and purposes, this is a new truck at a used truck price. If you'd like to come out and give it a test drive, you can stop out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg. Keep checking us out online at thomasata.com. Give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you very much for watching the video.